If the reason you're always exhausted isn't your workload, but 3 hidden energy drains you ignore every single day. In this video, I'll help you identify the activities and situations that are slightly draining your energy, and I'll show you step by step how to fix them. And if you truly apply this, within a week or two, you will look at your life and think, is this really my life? It feels lighter and calmer. Must have heard of the monkey mind, but today I want you to ask yourself something deeper. Is your mind operating from monkey mode or monk mode? Because before making any shift, you must first identify where you are. Only then you can consciously move forward. Let's reflect honestly. Do you overthink or you observe and let go? Do you procrastinate or do you act with clarity? Do small comments from people disturb you the whole day? किसी ने कुछ कह दिया और आप पूरा दिन वही सोचते रहते हो? Or do you ignore the noises and focus on what truly matters? Do you enjoy short-term gratification like late night scrolling or web series instead of a proper sleep? Or do you think about long-term peace and growth? Do you keep changing decisions or get influenced by others? Or do you commit to your mission, your vision, and your goal? If most of your answers are on the right, congratulations, you already have a monk mind. But if your answers are mostly on the left, अब टाइम आ गया है लेफ्ट से राइट शिफ्ट करने का. And stay till the end because the last checkpoint I will share is the one that quietly drains the most energy and almost everyone ignores it. You're not going to become an actual monk, but you will start feeling peaceful. Even there is a chaos around you. And I'm saying this from my experience. I used to live in a monkey mind, constant thinking, constant chasing, constant mental noise. And I won't lie, sometimes it comes back. And now I'm aware. Therefore, I consciously redirect my thoughts and bring back to calm. Have you ever noticed some people you met and instantly you feel light, positive, lifted, your energy like automatically rises. But on the other side, there are some people after meeting them, you feel drained, you feel heavy and exhausted. Most of the time we ignore this, but now start observing. Ask yourself, is there someone who constantly drains my energy? If yes, slowly reduce exposure because energy is contagious. I have experienced this personally. Some people carry constant negativity, constant complaining, and sometimes those same people struggle to feel happy when something good happens to you in your life. And here's the truth. Someone who cannot genuinely feel happy for others will never truly feel happy for you. Therefore, keep a healthy distance. If you cannot completely avoid them, reduce emotional involvement. Protect your energy quietly here. Next is stop multitasking. जो काम हाथ में है उसे पहले complete करो, फिर next पर switch करो. We think multitasking makes us productive, but actually it fragments our focus. Therefore, energy drains faster. You feel busy but not peaceful. For the next 3 days, audit your time. Observe honestly. Are you spending energy on something that are not truly important and postponing what actually matters? If yes, pause and ask, can I delegate this? If not, can I delay this until my priority is done? This is not just office work. कभी पूरा दिन ऑफिस में निकल जाता है, कभी वीकेंड घर के कामों में चला जाता है और बीच में हम अपनी हेल्थ, फैमिली टाइम और अपने आप को पोस्टपोन करते रहते हैं. If you don't consciously plan your energy, life will plan it for you. And therefore, you will always feel behind. When you start planning intentionally in every area, something beautiful happens. Overthinking reduces because clarity reduces mental noise. Next is social media and mental consumption. I'm not saying stop using social media, but use it consciously. Because when we scroll endlessly, we unconsciously compare, and comparison quietly steals our peace, especially at night. At night, your mind is more vulnerable. Therefore, whatever you consume goes deeper. It affects your thought, it affects your sleep, it affects your next morning energy. So filter your content. If something creates stress, comparison, discomfort, stop watching it. Sometimes even shows that don't look harm can disturb your mental peace. For example, during COVID, my husband and I started watching Breaking Bad at night. After some time, I realized it was mentally disturbing me. So I stopped watching it at night because what enters in your mind shapes your energy. Now comes something very important, that is meditation. I personally practice meditation through Sadhguru's Isha app, and it has created massive positive shift in my life. But start small, maybe 5 minutes. Sit comfortably, focus on your breath. अगर आपका mind घूमता है, bring it back. Don't judge yourself. Gently bring it back, because meditation is not about controlling the mind, it's about observing it. Also, check the basics. Are you sleeping well? Are you eating nourishing food? When you choose the right people, when you manage your time intentionally, when you filter what enters in your mind, and when you give yourself daily silence, you begin to feel lighter, stronger, calmer. Start small, stay consistent, and slowly your peace become your power. If this message connected with you, stay with me on this journey by subscribing, where we talk about calm, confident, self-respect, and living with clarity in your life. Take care of your energy. Not everyone deserves access to it. And I will see you in the next one.